All right, guys. Number 49 to 52. Use the information below. All right. Number 49 says, from there, A, B, C, D, E, proton, positron, electron, neutron, and photon. Number 49 says, which of the following is the heaviest and is located at the center of the atom? We know that at the center of the atom we have nucleus. In the choice we don't see nucleus, but we know that there are neutron and proton. But neutron is heavier than proton. So I'm picking D as my answer for this. Number 50, high energy electromagnetic wave. We know electromagnetic waves are vibration of photon. The answer is E. Number 51 is lighters and have a positive charge. Okay, lighters here you have electron, positron, yeah, with a charge, okay? Now electron has a charge of negative, positron has a charge of positive. So I'm picking B. Number 52, result in emission of beta decay. So a beta decay is actually equivalent to an electron being shot out. So in this case, my answer will be C. All right, let's see number 53 to 57. So to do these questions, if I see something like this, what I want to do is I may write out all the formulas, because I know the formula for acceleration due to gravity is AG equals GM over the radius of the planet squared. And somehow I found out that this is number 54, varies inversely as the square of the radius of the planet. All right, so acceleration due to gravity. In this case, it's like AG varies inversely as the square of the radius. So my answer for 54 is A. Now, length or distance, L, I recall the formula is 2 pi. Okay, so I want to link this with the period. So if you square this, okay, and times it, let me rewrite this formula again. I'll use the formula for the period to rearrange it, and then you'll see the difference. So T equals 2 pi L over G. That is the formula for the pendulum. Now, if I square everything, I ended up getting T square is proportional to L. So in this case, as you can see, this say varies directly as the square of the period of the pendulum. T is the period, L is the length. So the answer for this is B. All right, let's see the next part. Angular momentum. All right, what is angular momentum? Let me write out for you the formula for angular momentum. Delta L equals mvr. Now, in this case, I realized that it means varies directly. The angular momentum varies directly as the product of mean distance and the mass. So if I rewrite it out, it will be delta L is proportional to the product of mass times R. So the answer for number 57 is C. Okay, orbital velocity. Orbital velocity, the formula is V orbit equals G m over R in a square root. Okay, so the relationship here is V orbit varies inversely to the square root of the radius of the planet. So it is V orbit is inversely proportional to the square root of R. So the answer for this is D. All right, last one. Gravitational force. Okay, let's see how I'm going to write out the gravitational force formula here. Fg equals Gm1 m2 over R squared. So in this case, as you can see, gravitational force, varies directly as the product of the two masses. So the answer for 55 is E. All right, last question, number 58. Which of the following is true about a diode? Now, a diode, we know that it will work or it will turn on or operate if you apply a voltage of 0.7 volt or more. Okay, so in this case we say it has an operating voltage of 0.7 volt, B.